Hello.
Hello, just wanted to touch base and tell you how awesome I think Cake to the Rescue is.
They make the best cakes.
They come with the instructions, the templates, the cake mix, the fondant, everything.
Cakes are easy to do, customisable, and you can make them your own.
We love them because it makes me look like a professional.
How good does it taste?
Very good.
Having everything arrive in the box makes it so much easier, no rushing around at the shops.
The step-by-step instructions were really easy to follow.
And they are really so easy to make.
We love this cake.
My secret is Cake to the Rescue.
You love it?
And these are the things that we love about Cake to the Rescue.
And you're doing some research to find out what cake you want.
Oh, I like it. Thank you. Thanks, Lou. You're the best.